Dear believer, dear believer, ask forgiveness for having yielded to temptation, to Islamization and to evangelization. Fallen for silly miracles and stupid superstition that stultified your mind and your imagination. Dear believer, dear believer, we have been led astray with dramatic stories, stories of hell and heaven, felicities and eternity. With propaganda and confusions, lies and fallacies, astray on a planet in the immense Milky Way. Dear believer, dear believer, pray as you want, you will not avoid the grave. Wish for salvation and you will not be saved. Dream for freedom and continue to be slaves, slave to comforting hopes, desires and craves. Dear believers, dear believer, shut up your ears to nonsense and to stupidities. Open your eyes until you see the true realities. Clean up your spirits, examine your holy ideas, question your faith and challenge unjust authorities. Dear